Yo, scribbly scratch, word die patch, problems attach. Yo, who has problems like we don't have enough? So listen up as I listen on this track. Yes, me and my bad guy, a deeper swag with a flow that's slack, and I'm back. This is a can that you can also have a bad life. Here to live this earth, misery birth. So word surf and out goes the ink that I bring that in with the king. So I sing, that's a problem, going to be a problem, that's a problem. What's to be solved? World revolve. Yo, yo, human I am, and I believe in the word. It has become, the word is out, so be proud and shout. Turn on the music, turn up the heavenly loud, for he has plenty, many wisdom and strength to build in it. So I fix it and scratch it, squeaky, squeak, squeak. Here on the beat, here to the feet. Some kind of kid who has a smile, boost so deep, blast. A life-breathing God's air, inhaling, exhaling, snare. Eating also beware, for God's food comes from the book. Heavenly understood, so 24 in the hood, how does it look? Can it shoot? This life needs to be lived and lifted. So I dive, and what's to be found is, was, and will be my Father, the Your Majesty, crown pretty. So listen up a bitty, as I spitty. Whoopie whoopie, what's the dippy? Yo, what's problems like we don't have enough? Yo, what? There's one thing, thought I've got a lot. Yo, read the book, understood. So 24 in the hood, how does it look? And it's you, this life needs to be lifted and lived. So I dive, and what I found is what then will be my Father, the Your Majesty, crown pretty. So listen up a bitty, as I spitty. Whoopie whoopie, what's the dippy?